Hi, yoga buddies. Today we're going to stretch our bodies and feel happy together. If you like yoga with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's start moving. Stand tall, hands resting on heart, calm breathing, gentle smile. Standing tall with feet hip-width apart, arms lifted overhead, hands together, upper body leaning gently to each side. Switch sides. Feet together or hip width, knees bent like sitting in an invisible chair, arms lifted overhead, long spine. Sit back as if into a chair. Bring palms together at heart center. Twist torso to one side, keeping knees aligned. Alternate sides, left and right. Stand up and raise one knee toward your chest. Hug your leg with both hands, keeping your spine straight, your abdomen firm, and your gaze forward. The supporting foot should be strong and stable on the ground. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Step one foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. On hands and knees with a flat back, shoulders over wrists, and hips over knees. Kneel on hands and knees, slide arms forward, chest melts toward the floor while hips stay lifted. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Sitting with legs extended, hinge from the hips and fold forward, reaching toward feet with a long spine. Lie on your back with the legs extended long and arms stretched overhead like a full body morning stretch. Sit or stay lying down and take slow, deep breaths. Feel your belly rise and fall. Let your body enjoy the stretch and the happy feeling. Great job, yoga buddies! You stretched, moved, and took care of your body today. If you enjoyed this practice, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone you love. See you next time. Namaste.